hot dog cooker. Hey, how's it going? I'm enjoying a midday beer. Yeah, got an elk camp here. And look at this fire and look at this view. Oh man, look at that. It's barely any wind out here. Got the old side-by-side up here with me. Look at that. Good dude. Yeah. Yep, so we're just doing a little celebrating here. We harvested a deer this morning. So now we're just enjoying the afternoon and yeah, enjoying this fire. Why don't we check out this area we're in? Just take a quick walk. It looks like there's a little cliff over here. I don't have to go very far to see it. Come on, dude. Got my dogs with me. Here goes dude. Dude, what do you see over there? Just a drop off. This might be a cool spot to just sit. Just set up a chair. What do you think, Seeley? Looks like someone's been walking over here already. Are we checking it out? Yeah, this will be a fun spot. Just set a chair here and watch. Nice and peaceful. Come on, dogs. Let's go back. Come on. Good boy, dude. Go back and enjoy that fire. You having fun, Seeley, huh? Yeah, you're a good girl. Oh, what do you think? Shaking? Good girl, Seeley. Good girl. We get an itch. Just enjoying the fire. See? Oh, I got another itch. Got our hot dog cooker. Sue's got another itch. Right, Seeley? You're a good girl. See? Say hi, Suey. Hi. There we go. Hot dog's cooking. Oh no, my hot dog bun's got mold on it. Just kidding. It's flour. Hey, dude. Come on, Seeley. You're not dude. You smell the hot dogs, don't you? Yeah. You go, Seeley. Good girl. Still cooking. Is that good, too? See, he's got another itch. And I got the bread with some cheese in there. Hopefully that melted in there. I don't know. It's not cooking. Ooh, wait, I gotta. There we go. That's good. Let's getting a nice crisp. So that means it's cooking. Right, Seeley? Oh, you're sitting like a good girl, but that's for Dad. You don't like that, do you? I'm sorry. You like that? Good girl. Okay, finally got a good looking hot dog here. Mm. Mm. Okay, we've got one more coming. Yep. Let's see. Okay, check it out though. The second hot dog is getting ready. No, actually, I guess it's a bratwurst, but I'm gonna eat it like a hot dog. Right, Seeley? Okay. What's it? So you only do that when you see food. That does look good. So right now, we're on the Montana-Idaho border. So that tree line over there, partially way through that is Idaho, and then those cleared off mountains over there, those are all in Idaho. So we're down by the border. It's a pretty cool area. Not a lot of roads in here. We're probably 5 miles from I'm going to use quotes, a highway. You know, it's a gravel road, but it's not a bad one. But most of it's just this 2-track up here. So yeah, it's peaceful. It's awesome. You got a big old side-by-side like this, it's pretty easy to get up here. But yeah, you could bring a pickup up here, but you just got to be careful. Right, Seeley? She must be thirsty. They're both eating snow. I gave them some water. I like eating snow sometimes. The sun's almost gone. Dude, what are you doing? Oh, you got a stick. Well, I think I'm going to end the video here. The fire's almost out. I'll wait till that goes out, and then I'll head back down. But once that sun drops down, temperature's going to drop. It's been a nice sunny day today, but it's going to get pretty cold pretty quick. So thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.
The next morning.
What do you think, dude? See, it's like watching a TV screen. And there's a TV. Look at that. It's beautiful. Well, I just made some coffee, and I made an egg scramble that I dehydrated, so I'm going to give it a try here in a second, but we're going to enjoy this view. See those deer? Just kidding, the birds. Remember, this is a steep part. Whew. I don't know how the camera do showing it, but I'm going to put you out here. Getting way steeper down there. Hey, dude. I'll see you at the bottom. Snoozer over there? Huh? You alright, Chip? It's okay, I'll leave you alone. Seeley's just crashed into there. Good girl, Seeley. Dude. This is pretty cool here. Check it out. It's yeah, Deadman's Pass. There isn't many roads. There's this road that I'm on here. Stay, dude. And yeah, that's where we came from, dude. But there is another road that goes over here. So it's kind of cool. This road here, this trail, right along this fence line, it's Continental Divide Trail. It's on the border between Idaho and Montana. So I think technically we're in Idaho on this left, and this is all Montana. So this is pretty cool. Well, let's keep going. We've probably got 8-9 miles to get back to the camper. Trail to go up. you can see what I was talking about there, how it goes along this fence. So we'll go all the way through there, all the way over to there. And then once we come back down, the camper's on the other side. Of course, about 8 miles away. But it's going to be fun. We're getting closer. So let me show you here. So if you look, I'll have to probably zoom in, but like right over there, you see there's some campers. That's where my camper's at. Look at these views. It's awesome out here. So we're headed towards the Bannock Pass. And that's actually part of it's a highway actually. It's a gravel road, but it's a highway. Or county, I don't know what they call it, but that part of it's in Idaho. And then it comes over here, just where our campers are, just off that. It goes, actually the border's right over there. So we'll be there soon. Peace. Look how big that area is. It's huge. Through in the mountains, you can see the lowlands down there and the peaks up there. That is crazy. That's so cool. Beautiful area.
It's over. Go home. Go.